Hello sir, this is Mehmet Chofal and I'll be talking about the basics of Linux-based operating system. Here in my computer I have installed Ubuntu, which is a Linux operating system. So firstly I'll talk about how we can change the background picture of here. So to do that, it's quite simple. We right click and then go down and click on change background, and the option for change background will come here. We have lock screen and background, so I will just click on the background. So to change that, we click on it, and here we will see lots of images for which we can keep it as a background, but I'll choose the mountain one because it's quite interesting. Now you can see that the background is changed. We close it and see the background has changed, desktop background. And secondly, now we'll talk about all the applications that are running in the Linux operating system. To check that, we go to the 9 dots that appear at the left side bottom and we click on it. And here are all the applications that are in the Linux operating system or Ubuntu. So these are the applications that are in here. We close it. And to identify how much memory is installed in our computer, we go to the show all application, then click terminal, and here we use the free command free -h to see the amount of free memory in our computer. So memory is 3.7 GB, total of 3.7 GB, and used is 1.9 GB, and free 264 M, and all the other informations here. We close it. And now to see whether how to connect to internet or not, it is quite simple. We just go to the show all applications and then click on setting, and we go, if you want to check for Wi-Fi, we click on Wi-Fi, and these are all the available Wi-Fi around me, and you can click on it in order to connect with it. But right now I have Ethernet cable, so to go to Ethernet cable you can click on network, and here you'll see it's connected. And if it's not if it's turned off, you can turn it on when your Ethernet cable is connected. So that's basically how we set up the internet for Ubuntu Linux based operating system. So navigating to different folders and creating different types of files, it is quite easy. Same like Windows, we can right click, or we can just go to show all applications and use terminal, but right clicking and clicking on new folder, but I will prefer terminal because it's quite a new way. So we open the terminal, we change the directory to desktop because I want my folder to be on the desktop. So desktop, and now we use the mkdir command to create a folder. So mkdir, and I'll keep the folder name is Pema, and enter. So it's been created now. We can also delete the folder. So to delete that, we use rmdir command and the same name Pema, and it is deleted now. You don't see the folder there anymore. But since I need the folder right now, so I'll create it again. Now to create a file inside that folder, we have to go inside that folder. So first I'll change the directory into Pema folder, and it's done now. So to create the file, we use the touch command, touch, and then I'll give the file name as work. So work. Now enter, and let's see in the folder if it's created or not. Yes, it's created now, the work for a file. That's how basically we create files and folders using the terminal in the Linux based operating system. So I'll create another folder here so I can show you how to copy and paste, and mkdir, and I'll give the file folder name is copy, and copy here. Oh, there's two folders appearing. Oh, because I kept space here, so I'll delete the folder here, and then use only the folder copy, imdir delete here, and the folder here is deleted now, so I'll use the folder copy only. So we click on this demo folder, open. Oh yeah, it's already open from the files there, so my mistake, sorry for taking a bit of time. Click on to rename it, you can click on rename by right clicking and click on rename, or to copy you can click on copy, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+C, and also for cut you can click on here or Ctrl+X. So I'm basically copying right now. I'll close it and I'll go to copy. Okay, I'll open the compiler now. Right click and click on the paste, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+V in order to paste it. So now I've copied and pasted the file in another folder. That's how we do it, copy and pasting. There are two folders and we have the same file in the two folders because I copied and pasted there. So now I will install our application in my Ubuntu. You can use Ubuntu softwares too, but I will use the Firefox here right now because it's quite easy using it. So type download to Chrome, and click on download Chrome today. And now click on download, accept and install. Okay, it's downloading now. No, okay, it's taking a bit of time. So while it's taking a bit of time, it's not necessary that you have to download application from Firefox web browser. You can download it from Ubuntu software, Ubuntu store. It is all the applications that are needed in Ubuntu here, but since I prefer Firefox web browser because it's quite easy from here. So it's taking a bit of time. And now we are done installing the Google Chrome. We click on it to open the file and click on install here, and we have to authenticate because authentication is required whenever we install a new application in Ubuntu. It's quite a good feature because it protects our system. Click on install again. Yeah, to authenticate again. So awesome. Now we're done. Now we have done installing this Google Chrome application. To check that, you can go into the show all applications, and from here you can see the Google Chrome has been installed now. That's an easy step, and that's how we install the application in Ubuntu Linux based operating system. That's all. Thank you.